great.
Just follow our lead and let the contestants shine. We will have a great show.
Now, but before the competition begins, we must introduce our individuals who will have the important responsibility of evaluating tonight's contestants. Is that right, Ethan?
It is a group of highly distinguished humans.
They bring us a wealth of experience, and we are truly honored to have them with us tonight.
咁喺9位嘅佳麗嘅精彩表演咧，會由我哋7位專業由不同領域嘅專家嚟為我哋評審，以公平、公正、專業嘅標準，我哋隆重介紹我哋7位評判。Let's meet our judges. Starting with Vice President of Gaming and
Of unlimited options. However, this challenge showed me I had much to learn about the human experience. I never would have guessed how these scenarios would play out.
That's right, human life is very complicated, and our contestants really showcase the ability to think quite fast on their feet. It takes a lot of creativity and practice.
今天晚上的才艺表演非常的丰富，包括了歌曲、自弹自唱、中国古典舞、现代舞、丝段舞，以及长笛与芭蕾的结合。
Speaking of talent, we will now begin our talent presentation.